In the next exercise, we are interested in the target deviation, so target realization deviation, and we will prepare another pivot table for this scenario where we will analyze the data once again by years, but it's not going to be actually target realization as percentage, but the target realization deviation, so the deviation of the target against the sales. So we need another calculated field, target deviation as a percentage, and it's just going to be target realization minus 1. It's not going to be a very complex calculation, and this is the measure that we need to format as a percentage inside of the pivot table. And now we can also add data visualization to that as a column chart. Within this column chart, we just will work a bit with the x-axis to make it appear as labels down there, which is low. Then we will turn off all of the unnecessary fields, including also the legend. And the last step, maybe we will add also the data labels. And the last step, we will format the fill to apply red-green colors. You need to right-click them, format the data series, and right there under the fill options, you can turn on the inverted negative, which is very useful in such cases, and apply solid fill, green for the positive, red for the negative. At the moment we see only red columns, but hopefully there will be a region that will have also a green number in here. What is more, it is recommended to remove both the y-axis because we have already the labels, and remove also the grid lines just to keep the chart as simple as possible. The title, target deviation as a percentage, and we can cut it and place it once again on the dashboard. In the next exercise, we are going to organize the dashboard better.